Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to build your dream birthday cake. In every round, you'll see two different options and you can choose only one. Think carefully and pick your favorite. Don't forget to share your choices in the comments. Let's begin. Which cake shape would you choose for your dream birthday cake? A round cake or a square cake? Which shape would you prefer? A heart-shaped cake or a round cake? Which birthday cake would you choose? A flower cake or a doll cake? Find the difference. Look carefully at the first picture. Now look at the second picture. Can you spot the difference? Let's see if you got it right. Which cake would you choose for your birthday? An Oreo cake or a fresh fruit cake? Which doll cake do you like more? A pink doll cake or a blue doll cake? Which cake would you choose? A star rosette cake or a white forest cake? Find the correct path. Can the cheetah find the correct path to reach the meat? Look carefully. Only one path leads to the meat. Which cake would you prefer? A carrot cake or a chopped almond cake? Which cake decoration would you choose? Heart sprinkles or M&M sprinkles? Which sprinkles do you like more? Chocolate sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles? Which chocolate would you choose? Flower chocolates or a hard box chocolate? Which cake would you pick? A peach cake or a banana cake? Which berry cake would you choose? A blackberry cake or a strawberry cake? Which sponge cake do you prefer? A chocolate sponge cake or a strawberry sponge cake? Which cake design do you like more? A one-shade cake or a two-shade cake? Which filling would you choose? Strawberry filling or choco filling? Which cake would you rather have? A black forest cake or a mocha chocolate cake? Which sprinkles would you add to your cake? Choco sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles? Which cake style would you choose? A number cake or an alphabet cake? Which golden cake do you prefer? A golden glam cake or an elegant golden cake? Which flavor would you choose? Coffee cake or lemon cake? Which flavor do you like more? Lemon or strawberry? Which cake would you pick? A chocolate cake or a fruit cake? Which mocha cake would you choose? A mocha roast cake or a mocha drip cake? Which cake would you rather have? A choco cake or an Oreo cake? Which birthday decoration do you like more? Which cake toppers would you choose? Star toppers or round toppers? Which number candles do you prefer? Golden number candles or pink number candles? Which decoration would you pick? Birthday candles or heart toppers? Which balloons would you choose? Golden balloons or pink balloons? Which candles do you like more? Flower candles or shape candles? Which cake would you choose? Pistachio chocolate cake or red velvet cake? Which birthday cake would you choose? A message cake or a simple cake? That's the end of today's Build Your Dream Birthday Cake Challenge. Tell us in the comments which choices you made and how your dream birthday cake turned out.